To download apps on your iPhone Air, simply go to the Apple App Store, this one right here. That's going to be available on every iPhone Air. And then tap on the search bar at the bottom there, and then type the name of the app you want to install. So let's say that app is TikTok, for instance. So just type the name of the app you intend to install, and then tap on the search button. And then from the results, make sure you select the correct app, and then you can tap on the get button, and then you might have to double press here to confirm it's you or enter your Apple ID password if it's the first time installing that app. If it's not the first time, then you'll see that cloud icon I just tapped on. And then once you tap on it, it's going to start going around like that, trying to prepare a download, and it's going to start downloading and installing that app. With the app installed, you should now see the option to open, and then you can launch that app. But from now on, you should have the app icon on your home screen of the iPhone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.